Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted a cleaner, more professional look for your WordPress blog by hiding the author name and publish date, you're in the right place. In this full 2025 guide, I'll show you the simplest, foolproof way to remove both the author and date from your WordPress posts. No coding required. Let's dive in and clean up your site's appearance once and for all. Log into WordPress. First things first, head over to wordpress.com and click the login button in the top right corner. Enter your credentials, or if you prefer, use the continue with Google option for a faster login. Once you're inside your dashboard, you're ready to start customizing. Access your site settings. On the main dashboard, look to the right panel for quick links. Click Edit Site. This will take you directly to your site's editing area. If you manage multiple sites, make sure to select the correct site name to open its specific settings. Navigate to Post Settings inside the editing interface. Locate the Posts section in the left or top menu. This is where all of your published and draft posts are organized. Clicking here opens the full list of posts and the customization panel for each one. Modify article meta settings. On the right-hand side, you'll find a panel with different post settings. Scroll until you see Article Meta Settings. This is where WordPress keeps options for post details like the author name and publish date. Within this section, you'll see two important toggles, Show Date and Show Author. Disable author and date visibility. Simply switch off the toggle for Show Date and then do the same for Show Author. These changes instantly remove the author name and publication date from your post's front-end display. Save your changes before exiting. Make sure to click Save in the top right corner of the panel. This step is crucial. Without saving, your adjustments won't apply. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've successfully removed the author name and date from your WordPress posts, giving your site a more polished, timeless look. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more quick and effective WordPress tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.